Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Izin share screen teman-teman. Mr. Erwin Rahayu yang terhormat, teman-teman yang saya banggakan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let us thank to the Almighty Allah SWT. Because of His blessing, we are able to come here to join in this English meeting. Preface, I will like to introduce Muhammad Fajri Asidki as the moderator for this discussion along with the member of Group 4, namely 1. Dela Nurfadilatul Sipa, 2. Esti Yulani, Trino Kaam, 4. Tazkiyah Jaratul Aulia. Ladies and gentlemen, the presentation today is about electronic medical record. Let's open your meeting by saying Bismillah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. For the next agenda is presentation session. For the first turn will be given by the first present. Please welcome Tazkia to speaking.
I'm ready.
Tazkia, apakah sudah terhubung?
Sudah, Kak. Thanks, moderator. Definition of electronic medical record. Electronic medical record is the use of information technology device for collecting, storing, processing, and accessing database in patient medical record in hospital. In the database management system, they collect patient medical data sources. Next. Electronic medical record challenge. In Indonesia, the use of electronic medical record innovation is still running its place. Some of the reasons why is not growing fast are: 1. Electronic medical record does not have a clear legal embargo. 2. Lack of availability of front or financial aspect. 3. Electronic medical record is not a priority. That all from me. I leave it to the moderator.
Thanks you untuk Tazkia. Next turn is for the second speaker to Dela.
Thank you to the moderator for giving me the opportunity to be able to present the material. I will explain about benefit of RME. First is general benefit. RME will improve the professionalism and performance of hospital management. Second, operational benefit. RME is implemented and there are 4 operational factors that will be felt, namely, first, speed of completion of administrative tasks. Next, accuracy factor, especially data accuracy. Next, efficiency factor, because the speed and accuracy of data increase, the time needed to the administrative work is greatly reduced. so employers can focus more on their main work, ease of reporting. With the RME, the process of reporting on the patient health condition can be presented in only a matter of minutes so that we can concentrate more on analyzing the report. Last organizational benefit, RME creates increased coordination between units. That's all from me. I will return to the moderator.
Thank you to Della. Next turn is for the third speaker to Hesti.
Okay, thank you for the moderator. I will continue the presentation of the material, contributing factors to the success of electronic medical record. One, there is hardware support such as laptop, computer, tablets for RMA system facilities. Two, young human research who are familiar with using computer and understanding of information technology. Three, accuracy in the use of RMA. Four, technical training and support. 5. Adequate financial research, where the initial cost for making the RMA system is only limited to the salaries of IT employees because the RMA system is made and developed by itself without using a vendor. 6. Participation of organizational members. Interview result show participation in using RMA by user. So much for me. I will return to the moderator.
Thank you. Next turn is for the third speaker to Nok Aam.
Thanks to moderator for giving me the opportunity to be able to present the material. RMI confidentiality or security. The RME secrecy or security system has access right for every health worker. Access rights are only given to health workers who have the authority to access RME according to the provision, and with this access right will ensure the confidentiality of the patient medical record. Security risks in RME still exist where health workers have been sworn into patient confidentiality while IDP officers have not been sworn in, and the doctor assistant process makes access right now to other office. Electronic information and or document as legal proof. The difference in authentication strength is that electronic medical record cannot meet the requirement of written evidence as it is regulated in 1. Book 4 of the Civil Procedure Code on ratification and expiration. 2. Second chapter on written authentication and Article 184. Paragraph 1, letter C and D, as well as Article 187 and 188, Paragraph 2, letter B. The Criminal Procedure Code. These are from me, I return to the moderator.
Thank you for all the presenter. Well, ladies and gentlemen, now we are come to the opinions, question and answer session. Please raise your hand or activate on mic And don't forget to mention your name before giving opinion. Question or answer any question maybe? Raise hand yang ingin bertanya. White ya. Okay, please Nabila on mic.
Thank you for giving me the opportunity to ask, but sorry in advance for off-cam because of network problems. Okay, my name is Nabila Anissa. I want to ask to group 7 how to fix an incorrectly entered electronic medical record. Thank you.
Oke, ke next untuk Fadila on mic please.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Fadila Azaramani from Group 4. I want to ask to Group 7. The question is, why should one of young human research for contributing factor for the success EMR? Thank you.
Please give use time to discuss. Thanks for you.
Okay, I will answer the question from Fadila. Because in this day and age, technology is more easily asked by young people and can be understood more quick. RMI. Jelas? Apakah jelas, Dit?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Okay, here I will answer the question from Fadila. How to fix an incorrectly entered electronic medical record. The way to fix is it is that health workers and hospital management need to study the cause of prescribing error so that they can prevent and minimize that error. Is the answer acceptable, Fadila?
Is the answer acceptable? Thank you for the answer.
Okay, thank you for asking.
Okay, well, ladies and gentlemen, finally we are come the last agenda. We would like to say thanks again for the presenter and all of the audience for active participation. The conclusion of presentation today is Rectamedis Electronic is the use of information technology device for collecting, storing, processing, and accessing data stored in patient medical record in hospital in a database management system that collect various medical data results. Medical records can be used as evidence in the process of law enforcement, ethics, and discipline. However, conventional medical record can be used as authentic written evidence, while electronic medical records can. Hopefully, the presentation will give benefit for you. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon all. Dear Mr. Dr. Haji Erwin Rahayu Saputra, SPD, MPD, as a lecturer in English course, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Arvina Salsabila. Here I am the moderator. We will guide the presentation by title Medical Record and Health Information. We are from Group A with member Adelia Ramadanti, Amelia Maharani, Gesi Fajrianti Suteja, Nur Aini, and Sarvina Salsabila. The presentation is divided into four, namely opening, presenting material, question and answer, and last closing. Let's start with the first session is opening. Let's say Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Next is presenting material. I invite Nuraini to presentation first material.
Thank you, moderator. Definition of medical record. According to Furman case number 269, medical record is a file that contains record and document regarding patient identity, examination, treatment, action, and other services that have been provided to patient. And according to Hoffman, medical record is collection that relates to the patient life and medical history, including record of past illness, current illness, medical record written by health workers with an interest in patient health care. Next slide. Role of medical record: identify patient characteristics, improving effective communication, improving the safety of medicine to watch out for, ensuring the correct surgical location, correct procedure, surgery on the right patient, complete medical record file greatly affect these risks, besides helping to make SOTS, reducing the risks of infection due to healthcare, reducing the risks of patient injury due to falls, preparing and completing medical records file regarding the patient history, and giving warning signs to reduce the risk. I will return to the moderator. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for Nuraini has delivered the material. Then for the second presenter is Adelia Ramadhani. I invite.
Okay, thank you for the moderator. Okay, next, this is fill in the medical record. It's a description of the patient identify, patient examination, diagnosis, treatment, action, and other services carried out by doctor and dentist as well as other health workers in accordance with their competence. Next. For the next material is medical record purpose. The purpose of medical record is to support the achievement of elderly administration in the context of efforts to improve health service in hospitals. One of them is the purpose of medical records according to GINOBI, which is often abbreviated as Alfred or administrative, legal, financial, research, education, and documentation. One is administration. Okay. Next. Okay, I think enough for me. I will return to the moderator.
Thank you for Adelia Ramadhanti has delivered the material. Okay, for the next presenter is Desi Fajrianti Suteja. I invite.
Okay, thank you, moderator. Next, definition of manual and electronic medical record. Electronic medical record, basically MMI, is the use of information technology device for collecting, storing, processing, and accessing data stored in patient medical record. In hospitals, in a database management system that collects various sorts of medical data. And manual medical record, conventional medical record, as mentioned earlier, are writing, not documentation that chronology and systematically describe and explain a person's medical history. Next. Difference between medical record and electronic medical record. The difference between medical record and electronic medical record is that conventional medical records are done manual, while electronic medical records are done digital or computerized. In addition, the difference between medical records and other electronic medical records is that electronic medical records can reduce prescribing error to patient. In general, prescription error. Next, first advantage of electronic medical record. First, the advantage of electronic medical record include with better documentation accuracy and compact storage so that it does not require a special room, and other advantages of electronic medical records are easy and fast access, more guaranteed patient safety, and last, the tracing of medical information can be faster and more precise. I will return to moderator.
Thank you for Gesi Fajrianti Suteja has delivered the material. Next, for the last presenter is Amelia Maharani. I invite.
Next slide, moderator. Responsibilities for completing medical records based on law number 25, article 46, paragraph 1. It is that the doctor or dentist in carrying out medical practice are required to make medical records. The responsibility for the completeness of the filing and the correctness of the content of the medical records lies with the treating doctor and dentist. The accuracy and completeness of the patient medical record data must be studied, corrected, and signed by the revising doctor. Next slide. Ownership of medical record. According to the regulation of Minister of Health of the Republic of Indonesia, number 269 Menkes PER 3/2008 is regulated in Chapter 5, Article 12. The first, medical record files belonging to health service facilities. Second, the content of the medical record are the property of the patient. Third, the contents of the medical record are as referred to in paragraph 2 in the form of a summary of the medical records. Fourth, the summary of medical record as referred to in paragraph 3 can be provided, recorded, or copied by the patient or authorized person or with the written consent of the patient or patient family who is entitled to it. Next slide. Medical record system. The first naming system. The naming system is done to provide identity to a patient to distinguish between one patient and another patient. When receiving a new patient, we will collect patient identity data, including the patient name. Two, numbering system. The numbering system is a method used to characterize or sign in order to rediscover the patient medical record document. The types of numbering system based on registration, admission numbering system. Used today, there are 3 types: serial numbering system, unit numbering system, and serial numbering system. Acknowledgement system. There are 3 types of the medical record document acknowledgement system, namely alphabetically, alphanumeric, and numerically. This acknowledgement system is divided to 3: start numerical filing, middle digit filing, and terminal digit filing. 4. Storage system. There are 3 ways of storage management in the management medical record, namely centralization, decentralization, and satellite storage system. So I return to moderator.
Thank you for Amelia Maharani has delivered the material. Now session question and answer. Well, is there a question for group 8? Please raise hand. For Anissa Sakya, please unmute.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before, I'm sorry because I can on my camera because the connection is so bad. I want to ask to in Materia Delia, what are the files included in the contents of the medical record?
For Hesti Yuliana, please unmute.
Thank you for giving me the opportunity to ask. My name is Hesti Yuliani. I want to ask the question is, will the electronic medical record function be used later in Indonesia? Thank you.
Okay, let me to answer for the question is, I'm Anissa Sakya, right? Okay, the answer is, tadi pertanyaan, the question is, what are the files included in the contents of the medical record? Okay, for the answer is, files include document is the completeness of the notes, and then including x-rays, and then laboratory result and other information in accordance with their scientific competence. Kayak seperti itu, Anissa.
Yeah, thank you, Adele.
I will answer question from Hesti. Answer in Article 14, Paragraph 1. Every health service facility must operate its own electronic medical record system. Clinical support service, including medical records, must be available in every hospital class A, B, C, D. Article 2, Paragraph 1. Medical record must be made in writing, complete and clear or electronically. So in Indonesia, there will always be an electronic medical records. Mungkin cukup sekian. Terima kasih.
That was our group presentation. Let's say Alhamdulillah. I, as a moderator, apologize for the shortcomings and thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Terima kasih. Thank you.
Waalaikumsalam.